In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Rocket Money Premium subscription. So they have it hidden. The first thing you want to do is you want to tap on the gear icon in the upper left-hand corner to open up the settings panel. And then you want to scroll down to where you see premium membership. It's got a diamond next to it. Tap into that option there. Once you're here, you want to scroll down to where you see something that says cancel membership. Tap into cancel membership, and then you just need to tap the button here that says yes, cancel premium. And then it'll try to run you through a couple of questions to try to retain your subscription. And what you want to do is just tap on continue cancellation there at the bottom. Again, it's trying to convince you to not cancel. Tap continue cancellation once more, and then another time, and then one more time. And as you can see, you're letting them know why you're canceling, and then go ahead and tap continue, and then go ahead and follow the process. And after a long drawn out process, it should say this: you've canceled premium, and then go ahead and go to done. Just know that you will have access to all the premium features up until the next due date of your subscription. So if you've already paid for the month, it'll be prorated out for the days that you have left. I'll have a pinned comment down below with some frequently asked questions. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.